Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the FerruFx Multi Info Indicator for MT4. To download this indicator, just check the description below. You should find the link. Just follow the link and download the indicator. After that, you should go ahead to add the indicator in your indicators folder for MT4. Okay. Having done that, just get back to your navigator and refresh. All right. And then you should find the FerruFx Multi Info Indicator here. After refreshing, if you still can't find it, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay. When you find it, drag and drop. Here we go. So ensure that the allow daily imports box is checked. And then as for the input settings, you can see the customizable settings here: account mini, leverage to trade, pip value, shift settings, test only, look time shift indicators, test. You can edit these settings according to your taste. All right, so this is how the indicator looks like. Basically, it is built to display, a range of essential market metrics in one streamlined panel. Okay, so this tool helps you to quickly assess trends, volatility, momentum, and key price levels, without cluttering your charts. You can see that the indicator, it's a multi-time frame indicator, and it displays the, the trend, or what I call it, the signal across different indicators at the same time. We can see the MA20, the MA50, the MA100, the CCI 14, MACD, ADX 14, bulls, bears, right? So these are the trends across these indicators, right? Across different time frames. So this indicator helps you to see all this information at a glance, right? And of course, depending on the time frame, right? Depending on the asset, okay? Because each asset you go to is going to show you the information for that particular asset. Okay, even if you change time frame, this is a multi-time frame indicator that displays information across different time frames in one dashboard. So it doesn't matter which time frame you are currently on, the info is going to be displayed for your different time frames. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.